Destroyer Naval Strike. Oh, here's another new game. What the hell is this? Destroyer Naval Strike. I don't know what the hell it is. Well, that beats all. And then this is, what the hell is this? Battle for Earth. Well, that's two very unique games. I don't think you'll see this anywhere else in Vegas. Destroyer Naval Strike and Battle for Earth. It's kind of more video game-ish, I think, because of the crowd that they attract is more in the 30s and 40s. Crazy. Casino Crash, another new game. The hell, $1.
Destroyer Naval Strike, place your initial bet. Real dice roll in a bubble crap style dome to randomly determine missile strike coordinates. You fire a set number of missiles per round. Hits damage or sink ships. Every hit can unlock extra missiles to keep the action going. The goal is to sink ships before you run out of missiles. Sinking ships pays out varying amounts. Partial damage on a ship pays smaller wins. Fully sinking one pays bigger. Cosmic Crash. Betting phase. You place bets roulette style on numbers, colors, sections, or other betting options. Straight up, splits, reds, blacks, etc. Rocket launch, crash element. Once betting closes, a rocket ship blasts off on the big screen. A multiplier climbs as it soars through space. You can cash out, secure your bet at any time before the rocket crashes for a payout based on the current multiplier. Ball drop wheel. After the crash/rocket phase, you get to control or watch a live/physical ball drop through a vertical maze/pinball style path. The ball then lands in a spinning wheel that determines final outcomes or bonus multipliers. Wins come from your initial roulette style bets multiplied by how high the rocket got before you secured it, plus any extra from the ball drop by wheel. Battle for Earth, how it works. A UFO launches and climbs upward on the screen. As it rises, a multiplier increases in real time. You watch the UFO's flight and decide exactly when to cash out before it crashes or comes back down. Cash out too early, smaller win. Wait too long, risk losing your bet when it crashes. It's fast-paced, visually engaging, sci-fi UFO theme, and designed to feel exciting and social.